Hello farmers, as we continue with planting for the 2025-26 farming season, we are planting the late maturity variety SC727, a blockbuster variety that is doing well across Africa. But to make sure that productivity increases, we want to boost this crop by applying a biostimulant. So the biostimulant that we are applying today is called SEEDSTART CEREAL. So SEEDSTART CEREAL is a biostimulant that we have used over the past season when we had a dry spell. So last season when we had a dry spell, this biostimulant helped our crop to withstand 4 weeks of no rain. That is why we are back again. We're going to be using it this season. So this particular biostimulant is actually a liquid nutritional seed dressing which contains seaweed extracts and also nutritional growth stimulants. So the nutritional growth stimulants include nitrogen, phosphorus, manganese, zinc, copper, molybdenum, boron, and it also has 3% ecclesia maxima and also protein hydrolysate. So these are the nitty-gritties that bring the difference that matters, because biostimulants will give your crop that fighting edge to also withstand climate change induced weather vagaries. So with that said, we are joined today by Jerry. He's going to share with us the benefits of this. But before he does that, we are in the process of mixing as we are planting. So we don't want to delay any longer. We are going to mix our seed and then we put it in the hooper. So joining us here today is my sister Panache, who's going to be helping us in the mixing process and also making sure that we plant. So Jerry, let's go ahead.
Thank you, Wendy. This is SEEDSTART CEREAL. It's a liquid nutritional fertilizer which contains a biostimulant, ecclesia maxima, and protein hydrolysate over and above the nutrients and other micronutrients that it contains. The main reason why we are applying this is because of other abiotic factors that we may find in the soil, and also some climate change induced droughts and some excessive heat that we may experience during the growing season. We definitely need a biostimulant to mitigate those adverse weather conditions. So on our mixing, the mixing ratio is 1 liter of biostimulant, of this nutritional biostimulant, to 1 part of water. That solution will be able to treat seed equivalent to 1 hectare, that is in maize. And apart from treating maize, we have got we can also treat other crops like sorghum, lucerne, etc. with this biostimulant. Over and above this SEEDSTART CEREAL, we've got other biostimulants suitable for different crops like soybeans, your sugarcane, your wheat, barley, and orchard trees, as well as and any other crop that you may want to think of. We've got different biostimulants that can suit different crops and in different agroecological regions. So you can witness as we are mixing. As you may know, we may not have all the apparatus in the field, but we try to improvise what we'll be having in the field. Like in this case, we don't have a measuring cup, so we are going to we have improvised to use an empty water bottle that we are going to use as a measuring as our measuring instrument. We have to shake the bottle thoroughly so that we can mix the elements inside. As you may be aware, these are suspended nutrients, so they need to be mixed, otherwise they will be segmented at the bottom of the container. So we have mixed, now we have to pour in.
So we are now pouring in the last 500 mils that we need to treat for this particular batch of seed. So it's 1 liter per hectare. 1 liter of SEEDSTART CEREAL for seed that treats a hectare. So this is the slurry, we've poured it in there, and this is the 500 mils of water. We are pouring it in there again. It's starting to drizzle, but it's not significant rain to stop the planting operation. So we are going to just quickly mix thoroughly so that we get the value coming out of it. So it's very, very important for you to do the best you can for your crop to bring the difference that matters. And Seedco is the right seed, but you need to couple that with the right agronomic practices. So let's pour it over again, and then we mix. Yep. So you need to mix enough for it to just be a coat over the seed. Okay, let's go in. So the mixing process is very important. Make sure that all the seed gets the slurry so that you get the value coming out. The right protective clothing should be worn. So this is the mixture, the mixing process. As you can see, it's coming out. There we go. And then we spread it so that it gets a bit of drying coming in there. Spread it a bit before we start the planting process.